Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Easy Daisy, and today we are going to make a DIY face cream for summers. And for that cream you need following ingredients: one moisturizer, any moisturizer. I'm taking Nivia soft moisturizer, lacto calamine, aloe vera gel, and essential oil. You can skip essential oil if you don't have essential oil. And you need an empty jar and a spatula to mix all the ingredients well. So let's get started with the DIY. So first we will take some moisturizer. You can take as much as per your requirement and as per the quantity of your jar. So I need some more. One, two, three, four, five, and that's all. Okay. So I have basically taken five spoons of this moisturizer, and next thing you need is this aloe vera gel. So I have taken one, two spoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Mix it well, and you can see it has turned green because the Patanjali aloe vera gel is green in color. So as you can see, it has turned green in color, and now you need to add lacto calamine, and I'm taking the one with combination to normal skin because I am having dry skin, or I can say combination skin. And you take one, two, three, and four. I have taken 4 spoons of lacto calamine, and now it has turned pink because lacto calamine has pink color because of kaolin clay and calamine in it. Mix it well. You can just immediately add. I'm taking a rose Vedic line fairness blend rose oil and sandalwood extract. If you can see, I'm taking this. You can skip this step, or you can use any essential oil if you want. It's not opening, and I can see some of it coming out. Oof, yeah, it has opened now. And I'm only going to take like 1 drop of it. Only 1 drop of it. not more, because my jar is very small, just to add a little fragrance to this, good fragrance to this cream. And the fragrance of this essential oil is heavenly. It smells very good. It smells of rose and sandalwood, as the name suggests. And now, as you can see, it's ready. Our D.I.Y face cream is ready. So you only need aloe vera gel, any moisturizer which suits your skin, and lacto calamine. And why I have taken lacto calamine is because in summers you sweat, you get oily, you tend to have oily skin, and you sweat a lot. So you need something which absorbs the excess oil, but at the same time you need moisturizer to keep your skin moisturized so that it doesn't look patchy, there is no flaky skin. And aloe vera gel is always handy to use daily. So these are the three ingredients which I used. So this is our cream ready for use, and I'll show the how we can apply this cream on the hand. This is my hand. I have not applied anything on my hand now, so I'll just use this. So now you can see it's smelling very nice, and its smell is not something very strong one. You can bear with it, because I don't like strong smells. It's perfect for me. And as you can see that it has not left any oily cast on my hand. It's matte and it's perfect for the summers. So this is my DIY for summer face cream, and you can try it as well. Do try it at home and tell me in the comment section what is your opinion about this cream, how did you, whether you liked it or not. And it's amazing. It works wonders for me. So do share, comment and subscribe. Once again I'm saying that, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.